Hello everyone. In previous lecture we discuss natural number and whole number. So take a revision. What we study: natural number, all counting numbers are natural number, and like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And whole number, all natural number are whole numbers including 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural number and these are the whole number. Today we discuss chapter 2, that is integer. Okay, first we define integer. How can we define integer? The system of whole numbers together with negative number is called integer. So here is your definition of integer, that is the system of whole numbers together with negative numbers is called integer. The system of integer, next the system of integer divided into three parts. First, positive integer, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part is the numbers 0, and the third one is negative integers. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Now representation of integer on number line. Representation of integers on number line. Representation of integers. How we represent? In center it's 0 and its right there are positive integers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. In left side of 0 there are negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on. It is called 0. In right we call positive integer. From the left of 0 we call negative integers. So this is the representation of integers. From right of the 0 it is called positive integer, and from left of the 0 it is called negative integers. Now absolute value of integers. How we represent absolute value? We represent absolute value in 2 bars, or we also say that mod. So the absolute value of -5, that is -5 mod -5 and is 5. The absolute value of any integers always give a positive integer, positive numbers. The absolute value of 5 is also 5. Like that, absolute value of -3 is 3, and absolute value of 3 is also 3. Now solve some question. First question, which is greater? -99 or -999? Which are greater? On number line, negative integers are like -1, -2, -3 and so on, -99, and here is -999. So which comes first in negative integers? Which comes first? Whose are greater? जो मतलब पहले आता है नंबर वो ग्रेटर होता है, और जो बाद में आता है वो क्या होता है? स्मॉलर होता है. तो इस पर ही आस्क विच इज़ ग्रेटर, देन ग्रेटर नंबर इज -99. Greater is -99. Next question, arrange the following integers in the increasing order. -5, 4, -1, 2, 0. How we solve this? In increasing order, first we write smaller value. So the smallest value are -5, then -1, then 0, then 2, and after that 4. So increasing order are -5, -1, 0, 2, 4. Next question, simplify the following. Simplify. Question is mod -5 plus 5. It's always gives positive value, then it can be written as 5, and these are also gives positive value, that is 5, and 5 plus 5, 10 will be your answer. Now your homework is exercise 2.1. Next lecture we solve exercise and clear your doubts. Thank you.